Look at the size of that. That's not a knife. This is a knife. This is the last part of the puzzle. Can you guess what it is? One of the most expensive purchases that I've had to make for my new business for 2025. So it's getting dark. I've just got in from my normal day job. So let's get this open. And I'm going to show you what it is. Can you guess what it is yet? Right, let's do this. Sounded a bit Rolf Harris-ish, that didn't it? Not the look you want to go for. So let's get it off the pallet. Cut them. Right, what have we got in here? Ooh, might be able to guess one like that. Some brackets. Bit of plastic. More bit of plastic. And it is a reel. Really? 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 Oh, thank you. It's like Christmas. Ooh, and this comes off the top of this. I'm going to put this massive knife down before I stab myself in the face. Instructions. Easy prime valve. Guesses? Any guesses? Now you got to know what it is from that. Pew, pew, pew. Are you ready? In fact, I'll spin it around. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Look at that bad boy. Yes, my boy. Oof! Look at it, shining like a diamond in a goat's ass. Oh, yeah. Look at it, look at it. Little green machine going off. Absolutely. Brand spanking new. The Tsunami from Good Vacuum Systems, my brand new 21 litre pressure washer. Oh, think that money are going to earn me. It's even got proper tyres on it. 10 metres worth of hose just there. Your return pipes and everything else. It comes with a filter as well. Drop me a message, tell me what you think. Have I bought the right thing? I think I have. I know the service is going to be absolutely brilliant. If I've got any issues with this, any questions, I know that they will answer positively and give me all the right advice. That is because I recently put a video out on my YouTube, linked it to all my socials as well. When people were leaving comments about that video that I put on about my gutter vac and the filter, she literally, I think Julia, I think her name is, she literally dropped a message in. She was leaving comments to the other people who was advising wrong, saying you don't need that filter in, when I actually did. So that was great. And also things that I was doing wrong, like screwing the hose in wrong to the coupling that goes onto the end of the pipe. I was doing that wrong, and she just said, look, numbnuts, do it anti-clockwise, and I did. So I know I'm going to be getting great service from them. That is one of the reasons why I went to Good Vacuum Systems. So if you're thinking about buying from them, buy from them. It looks an absolute beast of a machine. I can't wait to use it, so I will be doing a video of me using it. This is the unboxing. I do sincerely apologise about the light, but it's night time and I can't turn the sun back on. So if you're wondering how much I paid for it, I paid about 1,700 quid, which I thought were an absolute bargain. The reel were 200, so just under 1,900 quid. Probably one of the cheapest I've seen for the spec that it is out there on the market, and the service was amazing, as I've already said. So I will be doing a video of me trying it out for the very first time, so check that video out when it is online. But this is the unboxing of my brand new Gutter Vacuum Systems Tsunami 21 litre per minute pressure washer. Now I've just got to find somewhere to put it. I have not got a clue where I'm going to be putting this. This is going to be interesting. I might have to put it in the bedroom, kick the wife out. That's an idea. Right, so I'll see you later. Ta-da, see you there, bye. Whoop, 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 whoop.